To remove and install the battery on your RZR Pro XP, follow these steps. Place the vehicle in park. Ensure the key switch is set to the off position. Route the driver's seat harnesses out of the way to aid in seat removal. Next, pull up on the front seat lever and pivot forward to remove the seat from the vehicle. Underneath the seat, you will find the battery. Start by removing the black negative battery cable fastener and setting the cable aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then remove the red positive battery cable fastener and set the cable aside. Tip: reinstall the battery cable fasteners into the battery posts to prevent them from dropping. Remove the two battery bracket fasteners and lift the bracket out of the vehicle. Pull the battery toward the driver's side of the vehicle and tilt it up to remove. If reusing the battery, ensure it is fully charged, clean, and free of any debris. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery and result in a shorter life. It can also hinder vehicle performance. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Install the battery on its side with the terminals facing up and slide toward the passenger side of the vehicle. Install the battery bracket over the battery and align with the mounting holes. Install the two battery bracket fasteners and torque to specification. Connect the red positive battery cable first and torque to specification. Then connect the black negative battery cable and torque to specification. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Coat the terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Turn the key on and verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front bracket mounts and pushing down in the rear to engage the seat lock. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.